So here you have to write the first term and the common difference. The AP is already given to you. So first term you can just see by observation, whatever is written first, that is the first term. And for obtaining the common difference, you will subtract second term minus first term. Or even you can do second term minus third term minus second term. All will give you the same answer, because the difference between the terms is going to be common only. It is already given, it is an AP. So you can just do second term minus first term and get the common difference. So this is also another very basic problem. So here in the first one, the given AP is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. First term is 3. Common difference will be 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. So same way I have solved the other problems also. The AP is this, minus 5, minus 1, 3 and 7. So here first term is minus 5. Common difference will be second term minus first term. So minus 1 minus of minus 5. Now here this step is important. Minus of minus 5. So that will become plus 5. So the common difference will be 5 minus 1. That is 4. The next one, this is the AP, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3 and so on. So A is 1 by 3 and D will be 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. That is 4 by 3. And the last one, A is 0.6 and common difference is second term, that is 1.7 minus 0.6, that is 1.1. So here you are going to identify which of the following are APs. So the given sequence of numbers, is it AP or is it not? So that you have to identify. For that what you will check is the difference between the terms. Is it constant or not? So for that you will find A2 minus A1, that is second term minus first term. Then A3 minus A2, third term minus second term. Fourth term minus third term, and so on. You can see for 2 also is enough. 2 terms or 3 terms you can check this one. Common difference, is it same or not? So 4 minus 2 is 2, 8 minus 4 is 4, 16 minus 8 is 8. Now here you can see the common difference is different in all 3. First one it is 2, second 4 and 8. So D is not same over here. So therefore these terms are not in AP. Second part is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. Now here A2 minus A1 will be 5 by 2 minus 2, 1 by 2. Then 3 minus 5 by 2, again 1 by 2. Then 7 by 2 minus 3, again 1 by 2. So here the common difference which I am getting is, that is D is 1 by 2. So this is in AP as you have the same difference, the common difference between the terms. So if it is in AP, then you can write the next 3 terms also. So just by adding 1 by 2 to this one, you can get the next term. So 7 by 2 plus half will give you A5. Then to A5 you will again add half and you will get the next 3 terms of the AP. Now here the number, the given terms are 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. So here also if you see the common difference, A2 minus A1 is root 2, A3 minus A2 is also root 2, and all the differences between the terms is coming as root 2. So this is also in AP. And if it is in AP, then you can write the next 3 terms. The next 3 terms will be 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2 and so on. Here 0.2, 0.22, 0.222 and so on. Now here A2 minus A1 is 0.02, A3 minus A2 is 0.002, then A4 minus A3 is 0.0002. So here the difference is not the same. You can clearly see it is different for all 3 cases. So these terms are not in AP and so you don't need to write the next terms also. Next one, minus half, minus half, minus half, minus half. So we have already seen such type of constant APs also where common difference is 0. So that is also in AP. So this is also in AP, and the next three terms will also be minus half only. So this one also A, 2A, 3A, common difference is same, that is A. So with the help of that you can write the next three terms 5A, 6A, 7A. Now root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. This one you can simplify and write it if you want, like root 18 can be written as 3 root 2 and root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. So that subtraction will be easy for you. So common difference if you see here is root 2 only. So the terms are in AP, and with the help of that you can write the next three terms. That is root 50, root 72 and root 98. So here A for first one, the first term is 7, common difference is 3, n is the number of terms that is 8, and an that is nth term you have to find out. So for an AP, if first term is 7, common difference is 3, eighth term will be what? That you have to find out. That will be an. And for the second one, first term is given minus 18, common difference is not given. But the nth term, that is the 10th term, is given as 0. So with that you can find out common difference. So in such type of problems where some missing things are there and certain things are given to you, you will be making use of linear equations in two variables, and you will be solving the equations and finding out the missing things. So let's see how we can do this. In the first part, A is given as 7, common difference is 3 and n is 8. You have to find an. Now this is the relation for nth term. It was already given earlier. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Now you have to find the 8th term, that is n is 8. So you have to find a plus 8 minus 1 d, that is a plus 7d. So a is also there, d is also there. You can just substitute and find out. An, that is the 8th term, will be 28. In the next one, a is given as minus 18, common difference is not given, but number of terms is 10 and nth term, that is a10, is 0. So you will just substitute in this given relation. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So 0, that is nth term, is 0, it is given. So 0 is equal to minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 d, or 9d. So with that you will get common difference as 2. Third one, here first term is not given. Common difference is minus 3. Number of terms is 18, and nth term, that is 18th term, is minus 5. So if you substitute in that relation, we have a as the unknown variable, rest of the things are given to us. So easily you can solve it as a linear equation and get the value of a as 46. Fourth problem, a is given as minus 18.9, common difference is 2.5. Number of terms is not given, but an is given as 3.6. That is nth term is 3.6, but we don't know it is which term. So substitute in an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d, that is 3.6 is equal to minus 18.9 plus n minus 1 into 2.5. So again it will be like a linear equation with one variable, that is n. So you will solve it. So after solving that equation, you will get n equal to 10. That is 10th term was 3.6. The last one, a and d is given, n is also given. You have to find an, that is 105th term. So again the same method, you will substitute in. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So an is given, an is not given. You have to find using these terms. So an is equal to a, that is 3.5, plus 104, that is n minus 1, into d 0. So it will be 3.5 only. So this is again a constant AP, that is the terms are 3.5, 3.5, 3.5 and so on.